Good morning, class. As yesterday we have ended with the question and answer of chapter 10, that was Beauty and the Beast part 2. That was a play. Now, today we are going to write who said the following and who might have said the following. We are going to start with these two, that is the second and the third question of this chapter. Who have said the following? That we have been given some of the sentences. You have to tell who have said those sentences and who might have said. You have to think who would have said all those sentences and you have to write the answer over there. Now, before starting this, what you all have to do is you have to open a new page in your English literature notebook and you have to write all the questions using black pen and write all the answers using blue pen. After writing each and every answer, you have to form a small line at the end which will show that you have completed first answer. And now let us begin with the second and third part of our chapter 10, that is Beauty and the Beast part 2. Now let us begin with the work in our notebooks. Now, as we have completed our question answer, now today we are going to start with who said the following. Who have said these sentences and to whom? Today we are going to start with it. Second one is who said the following. First of all, put today's date, classwork, put the heading who said the following. A1 is and it smells so sweet. Who said this word? The merchant said these words. The merchant have said all these words. The merchant have said this because when he smells the rose, after smelling the rose, he said that the smell of it is very sweet. The merchant said these words. After writing question A, form a small line at the end and move to question B. Who on the earth is he? He said, who on the earth is he who have said his father that he would kill him? Jack asked this for the merchant. When merchant have came back from the castle, and he said that if he would not send one of his 3 girls, and he told the whole story of the castle about the castle to his children, and said that if he would not send one of his 3 girls to him, he would kill the merchant. So after listening to that, Jack said, who on the earth is he? Jack asked this from the merchant. Question B is, who on the earth is he? Answer is, Jack asked this from the merchant. Form a small line at the end and move to C1. C is he kind to you? Answer for this is, the merchant asks these words to Beauty. The merchant asks these words to Beauty when Beauty, after 2 months, came from the castle of Beast. The merchant have said these words to the Beauty because he was very much worried about Beauty, that how is he there, how is she there, and is she safe there or not. So, is he kind to you? Answer is, the merchant asks these words to the Beauty. D1 is, he did not harm you, did he? Answer for this is, Joseph asked from the merchant. He did not harm you, did he? He have said these words because, answer, Joseph asked this from the merchant. E1 is, and mine. This is all mine. Answer for this is, June said these words to the merchant. June have said all these words to merchant. F1 is, I am dying because of my love for you. Beast have said all these words to Beauty when he came to merchant house and said that I am dying because of my love for you. Beast said these words to the Beauty. After writing question F, form a small line at the end and write question G. Question G is, shall I clear your plates away now? Answer for this is Beauty asked it from her siblings that were June and April, etc. When they have eaten the scrambled eggs, and Beauty asked them whether should I clear all the plates, then April and June said yes, of course you can. So Beauty asked it from her siblings that were April and June, etc. After writing question D, form a big line at the end, because here we end with second question. And now let us write question 3. Question 3 is, who might have said the following? Who might have said all these 4 sentences which are being given? Question is, hurry up with that cleaning. Who have said this? April would have said these words to Beauty. April would have said these words to Beauty when Beauty were cleaning the plates after the breakfast, when Beauty have made the scrambled eggs. So A is, hurry up with that cleaning. Answer for this is, April would have said these words to Beauty. After writing question A, form a small line at the end and move to question B. He was frightening to look at. Answer for this is, the merchant would have said when he saw the beast. The merchant would have said all these when he saw the beast present there. When the beast came to merchant house, then the merchant would have said. Question B is, he was frightening to look at. Answer, the merchant would have said when he saw the beast. Question C is, after writing B, form a small line at the end and move to question C. Question C is, he treated me with kindness and love. Beauty would have said these words to merchant, because when merchant, that was Beauty's father, when have asked Beauty that how is he there, is the beast treating well Beauty or not. So question C is, he treated me with kindness and love. Answer for this is, Beauty would have said it to her father. Form a small line at the end and write question D. Question D is, you all are invited to the wedding. Who would have said this? Whose wedding was there? Beauty's wedding was there. So Beauty might have invited all to the wedding. Answer for this is, Beauty would have invited all to the wedding. After writing this, form a big line at the end, because here we end up with the chapter in our notebooks. After completing question 3, complete your index. Count your number of pages till where you have ended this chapter and write it over here, because we have completed our chapter 10, Beauty and the Beast part 2 over here. So count your number of pages and write it over here. After completing this Beauty and the Beast part 2 in your notebooks, open your course book on page number 150, and we have been given a single exercise in this chapter, that is, here are some of the common phrases in English. They are split in 2 parts. See if you can match them. We have been given some of the 5 phrases over here. You have to match these phrases from column A to column B. First one is again and again, more or less, now and then, once or twice, here and there. You have to match these phrases to each other. After completing this, homework for you all is you have to learn question D, E, F in your homework. Thank you.